If you're seeking engineering consultation or need expert guidance in your projects, don't forget to visit our website, www.eprogrammer.com. Stick around till the end for insightful tips and tricks. Remember to like, share, and drop any questions in the comments below. Welcome to our word counting adventure. First, we grab tkinter, the tool that lets us create a cool graphical interface. This is the brain of our app, a function that counts words like a pro. Grabbing the text from our text box. It's like fishing for words in a sea of letters. Splitting the text into words and counting them. It's like a word party, and everyone's invited. Displaying the word count. It's like a scoreboard for your words. Setting up our stage, or in this case, our main window. Giving our window a name. It's not just any window, it's a word counter. Here's where you'll type your text. It's like a digital notepad, but cooler. Placing our text box on the window. It's showtime for the text box. A button that counts words? Yes, please. Let's put the button on the stage. It's ready for its close-up. This label will proudly display your word count. It's like a medal for your words. And onto the stage goes our label. It's ready to show off those numbers. And action. This starts our graphical user interface. The curtain rises on the word counter. Now we run the program, and here is the result. It's fascinating to see how the code transforms into a functional tool. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and share. Your support is greatly appreciated.